Traders, hello everyone, this is Miller, and now, having made some money, we will continue to grow the deposit. I have been growing this deposit from $100. For those who don't know, check out the previous video. Also, there is currently a competition at Pocket, Give Birds Giveaway. They had their 7th birthday, meaning they have been in the market for over 7 years. This is actually quite pleasing. The prize fund is $1 million, which means there is something real to win. The conditions are available via the link in the description. By officially registering on this platform and depositing from $50, you automatically become a participant in this competition and can win something. Why not? Today there will also be interesting trading. I will trade with the entire deposit. I will have an initial trade of $150, the first martingale will be $300, and the second martingale will either be $700 or essentially the entire deposit. So, there will be 2 martingales initially. Even if it doesn't work out, even if I lose the $100, I will top it up again and accordingly start growing it. Alright, let's get to the point. We'll create content and we'll do it beautifully. I will trade for 1 minute. Following the price movement that is right here at 150, it should have been concluded at this point, but there was slippage. I simply placed trades based on the price movement for 1 minute, immediately preparing a martingale of $300. I want to grow the deposit. I was just thinking of withdrawing this deposit and possibly trying again with $50, growing it from $100, but I want to earn some money here. I saw in the comments under the previous video that people were saying something like, come on, give away another $50, $100. Well, we'll see guys. If you're interested, just write in the comments and I'll do it. I'm curious myself, why? Well, risking $100 to earn $1,000, why not? Of course, you could also lose $500 before that. So, 5 times at 100, but why not? If it works, we can try it this way. Here we take the trade, minus covered, damn it, so we take it again for a decline. Let's set it to boost nicely to $800, the whole deposit, and if the price jumps up now, I'll take it again for a decline. But again, I think if my son gets hit hard now, it's better to switch to another pair. It's becoming risky now. You know, it's like a closed situation. 1 trade and 2 martingales. This is just a typical example. Usually, when people deposit, say, $50, they place their bets. Initially, let's say $10 or 20, and they don't really have much left for coverage, meaning when they place 40, many trade like this. I see it because I get sent screenshots. By the way, for those who don't know, I have a closed Telegram channel with signals and training videos about Pocket. We're currently recruiting, so message me through the link if you want to join the team and you'll start earning with us. A new introductory training video about Pocket has just been released and there will be a ton of videos ahead. I'm really pumped about this. We're taking profits again and I set the initial amount accordingly. I see all the trades that people send me, especially beginners. They might deposit, let's say, 10,000 rubles and trade as close to the limit as possible. It turns out there is only 1 trade and a maximum of 2 martingales, or at most 3. This is incorrect because you are somewhat of a beginner. Instead, it is better to increase the martingales, or better yet, calculate the deposit so that it lasts for 2 losing streaks. You have a deposit, let's take a higher amount, say 50,000, and you calculate it as if you had a losing streak, for example, up to the 3rd martingale. You still have a series left to work to continue trading and recoup your losses, but that's in an ideal scenario. Of course, everyone wants to quickly increase their deposit and grow it rapidly. That's understandable. But over time, you will hone your skills and start earning accordingly. Because most people, after watching these videos where a deposit is grown from $100, $50, or $5, even I, having worked in trading for over 8 years, have been trading for more than 8 years. And accordingly, I have colossal experience. I can of course grow the deposit, but I was lucky in that video. What if I'm not lucky? If I had placed just 1 more step there, I would have lost that deposit. Such things can happen because this is the market, the human factor. We are not robots, and there are no 100% deals here. Well, no, you can just try to grow it, yes, but doing that every day consistently, I wake up in the morning, drink my coffee, have breakfast, put in $100, and grow it, say, to 1,000, to 10,000, to 1,000,000, that won't happen. There will be losses, meaning you could immediately lose $100, so you have to take that into account. Playing around for fun, yes, this is fun. I just want to create content, I want to make beautiful videos, and accordingly, look, the deal has also closed here with a profit, so let's place a bet on another pair. By the way, you can also see how to do it here. There's a favorites section, just set it up here and we'll choose high. Percentage payouts. Let's leave these right here for a minute for an upward trend. Why not? The price might go up, possibly breaking through. By the way, there could be a pullback. Such movements are actually better to avoid. Can you imagine if you take a martingale for an upward trend against the counter trend? You'd immediately face a drawdown, which is why we use a limited number of overlapping martingales. For beginners, I recommend using up to 3. Those who are already trading well, whether amateurs or professionals, know how much to bet themselves. I just see the martingale, sometimes they drop it. Guys use martingales and even go up to 6 when the levels are high, catching double and triple profits. Yes, this is all good, but this is again when you have learned. While you are a beginner, Practice with 2 to 3 martingales, a maximum of 3. Going to the 4th is at your own risk. In the closed group, we trade, often entering initial trades with 1 to 2 martingales, rarely using a 3rd, and only if we are very sure, a 4th, which is very rare. In principle, the statistics are over 90% because I choose really good entry points. This is also a plus, girl. Let's look further. So I'm already entering automatically. What do we have? Let's go for a downward trade right away for 1 minute. We have a downward trend. The market is currently trending. That is, there are good candles here for a downward move. The price is reluctantly pulling back and still continues to drop. Let's see. If the downward movement continues now, we will also take a plus trade. You see, there is a pullback. We are preparing a martingale. The market is 50-50. I can't say it's perfect right now. If the market were good, we could just keep making trades and add to the initial one. Here I want to take a martingale, just like that downwards. Well, let's see. Maybe this trade will work out. The price seems to be dropping and an area has formed here and the price is currently going down. If it consolidates, everything will be very good. Come on, let's close this trade in profit so we don't have to place a martingale. That would be excellent. There is also a plus here. Look, a profit of almost $500 in just these 10-15 minutes is definitely worth a like. The official direct link to Pocket Option is in the description below this video. Feel free to register there. There is a bonus available. If you want to start earning right now and follow my signals in a closed group while receiving training videos, message me via the link in the description. I want to join the team. I will add you, and accordingly, you will develop, learn, and earn together with us in the team. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit the bell icon, leave a comment, and I wish everyone only profit. Goodbye, everyone.